Okay, let's start with this equation here. It says that if we have a normal oil field, there's a dividend of 200 at the end of the year. So if I let this be the value, saying I have a normal guy at the beginning of a year, then at the end of the year I get 200. So the present value of that 200 is 200 divided by 1.1. Plus there's a 50% chance of remaining normal. So there's a 50% chance that at the end of the year, after I make the transition, that I'll be normal still. And I'll have that same present value of all my future cash flows. And then bringing that back to the beginning of that year, I divide by 1.1. You could say plus the 50% of the actual present value of dry, but the present value of dry pays no dividends, and I stay dry, so the actual present value of dry is 0. So then I can use this equation to solve for the actual present value of N. Now with a gusher, there's a $1,000 dividend at the end of the year. So the value of that at the beginning of the year is 1,000 divided by 1.1. And I have a 50% chance that I remain a gusher. And then so the present value of all my future cash flows at the end of the year is APVG. Plus a 30% chance that I'm a normal at the end of the year. Plus a 20% chance that I'm dry at the end of the year. So then I just plug in this 333.33 into this guy, and I can solve for the actual present value of G.